What's going on, everyone? It's Knowledge Panel name from the Knowledge Panel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful strategies for turning your Pinterest passion into cash. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money or start a full-fledged business, we've got you covered. Pinterest isn't just for recipes or wedding plans, it's a goldmine for generating side hustle income. With the right approach, you can transform your pins into profits. Whether you're a Pinterest pro or a newbie, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking Pinterest's earning potential. So grab a notebook and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's kick things off with affiliate marketing, a powerful way to generate passive income. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale through your unique affiliate link. It's a simple yet effective strategy. Millions of users search for inspiration on Pinterest daily, making it a perfect platform for affiliate marketing. The potential reach is enormous. Incorporate your affiliate links into your pins to place targeted ads in front of an engaged audience. This can significantly boost your earnings. Websites like Affiliate Programs, Show Website on Screen, offer directories of programs across various categories. Explore these directories to find the best programs that align with your niche and audience. If you're a creative soul, Pinterest can be your virtual storefront. Platforms like Etsy let you showcase and sell your handmade or digital products directly to an eager audience. High-quality product photography and compelling descriptions are your secret weapons for attracting customers and driving sales. As your Pinterest profile gains traction, brands might approach you for sponsored pins. Cultivate a niche-specific audience, pin high-quality content, and engage with followers to attract sponsorships. Consider your follower count, engagement rates, and campaign scope when pricing your sponsored pins. Become a Pinterest virtual assistant. Businesses seek skilled individuals to manage their Pinterest presence and drive traffic. As a Pinterest VA, you'll conduct keyword research, create pins, schedule content, and analyze performance. Market your services on freelancing platforms or social media. For bloggers, Pinterest is a powerful traffic-driving machine. Share your blog posts on Pinterest with visually appealing vertical pins that capture attention. Optimize pin descriptions with relevant keywords and include a clear call to action. Package your Pinterest expertise into an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These platforms provide tools to create, market, and sell your courses. Deliver high-quality content and offer exceptional student support for success. Pinterest templates simplify the pin creation process, saving time and effort. They provide a streamlined way to create visually appealing pins without starting from scratch. If you have a knack for design, you can create and sell Pinterest templates. This can be a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time business. Platforms like Creative Market and Etsy are excellent marketplaces for digital templates. They offer a wide audience and easy-to-use interfaces for sellers. Offer a variety of styles and customization options to appeal to a wider audience. This ensures that your templates meet the diverse needs and preferences of different users. The Pinterest Creator Fund supports creators from underrepresented communities. Secure funding, mentorship, and resources to amplify your voice and bring your creative visions to life. Apply on the Pinterest Creator Fund page and craft a compelling application. Pinterest ads can boost your reach and accelerate results. Promote your pins, target specific demographics, and drive traffic to your website. Set budgets, target your audience, and track campaign performance in real time. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives, and optimize based on performance data. Collaborate with influencers to amplify your reach and boost credibility. Select influencers whose values align with your brand and whose audience resonates with your target market. Successful collaborations are built on genuine relationships and mutual benefit. And there you have it, 10 strategies to transform your Pinterest account into a money-making machine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Knowledge Panel, and hit the notification bell. Start pinning your way to financial freedom.